You have done it! You published your first model. Now show it to friends and family, and please publish a link in Q&A so we can all have a look at your progress. Give comments to other students, but please keep it nice. In the last lecture, you've cleaned up your project, set up a sketchfab account, exported and uploaded your well, added materials and set up VR in sketchfab. It is time for a celebration. Pick up your VR device and enjoy. Share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and other social media. And don't stop here. Model and paint your own models. Keep practicing. Some suggestions to model might be a water barrel or a treasure chest, for example. I hope you enjoyed this course. I sure did. And maybe I will see you in the Blender world. Happy blending! Bye bye!